In this video, we are going to show you how to do a straight shape, what to look out for, and how to make it easier or harder. To do a straight shape, you can lay on your back or stand up. Stretch your arms straight up and legs out as long as possible. Squeeze your arms by your ears and squeeze your ankles and feet together. You may see a child stretching up and out long with their legs, but their ankles are not touching together and their arms are not touching their ears. Encourage them to squeeze together like a pencil. If someone is finding it too easy, they can practice by balancing up tall on their tiptoes. If someone is finding it too hard, they can try concentrating on their ankles together, but arms squeezed tight near their body. Can you think of other ways to make it easier or harder? Why not visit our Facebook, Twitter and website for more ideas?